What's going on, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're about to go take a drive out at my buddy's house where I'm keeping my 1988 Jeep Wrangler. It's got a 5.3 LS, and we're currently doing a leaf sprung Dana 60 swap with a Dana, or it's not a Dana, it's a Sterling 10.5 rear end. We got the truss kit for the rear. We're not doing a truss for the front, but let's start getting on the road. So we made it to the shop, and here's the LS YJ. We got a couple more things to do before we can actually get this thing rolling, but it's practically sitting on its own weight. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take these spring shackles and relocate them further back. That way I can be able to get the sprung weight over here to clap down and not come all the way up. But this thing is pretty freaking sweet. Let me go ahead and do a little walk around clip up for you. We got my buddy's 1-ton swap JKU. Rolling on its own. Rolled it out the shop to see what it was going to look like under its own sprung weight. It's not looking too bad. We still got to take the blocks off the rear, but for the most part, I think we call today a success.